Hey everybody, how are you all today? This video is not about any MS Excel classes. Today I will do a chit chat with you because आज पढ़ाने का मन नहीं है and पढ़ाई से भी थोड़ा सा break बनता है, right? So to those who are new to my channel, my name is Namita Devi and I am a working professional. I create videos on MS Excel, both basic and advanced. So like I said, in this video I will just talk with you all and there will be no classes and no padhai. First of all, I want to say thank you, a very big thank you to all who is supporting and motivating me. I've created this not for all of you who are supporting and motivating me to create videos for the channel and who are supporting to grow this channel, My Excel Club. It's been more than 2 months, around 25 videos so far. In the initial videos, you won't see my face because I was not a camera person. But then I realized if I won't put my face on my videos, then it will be very hard for me to make a connection with all of you. So if someone is teaching you, you should be aware, you should know who that personality is. So I thought that I also realized that if you are giving a face to a voice, then it is more interesting to listen. And then talking in front of the camera and thinking that anyone in this world can watch me, I was like, then to break the ice, I have to get out of my comfort zone. Then मैंने थोड़ी सी हिम्मत करी and then I started showing my face in my videos. And today also I am creating this video to be more open with all of you. I am experiencing more responsibility now. Please keep me motivated and support me by watching and sharing my videos. Help me to grow this channel and thank you for listening me out today. This channel is for you, so enjoy, happy learning and see you in the next video. Take care.